When safety is overlooked, the consequences can be severe, but there's a better way. With the right safety measures in place, your facility can be efficient, but most importantly, safe. Welcome to a new era, the era of machine safety. Hello and welcome to this episode of Sensor Experts. I'm Tyler, and today we're talking about a topic that's critical in every industrial environment, machine safety. Machine safety is all about protecting people while maintaining productivity. It's not just about regulatory requirements, it's a responsibility. Joining me today is Jake Thalhuber, one of our machine safety experts. Jake, welcome.
Thanks, Tyler. Glad to be here.
Let's start with the basics. Machine safety can vary by application, but is there a general framework that companies can follow?
Absolutely. At SICK, we follow a 6 steps process to ensure comprehensive safety, the first being risk assessment. This step involves identifying potential machinery hazards and analyzing the level of risk they pose.
And once you understand the risks?
Once you understand the risks, we move into risk reduction, which starts with safe design. And this means minimizing risk at the machine's design phase before implementing additional safeguarding measures. Next, you implement engineering control measures. You determine a combination of guards and safety devices to reduce additional risk of harm.
Things like safety light curtains, laser scanners, and emergency stops?
That's exactly right. Then we address administrative measures to minimize risk even further. This includes clear signage, safe work procedures, and training.
Because safety isn't just about equipment, it's about awareness.
That's right. And then after you've done all of that, you can identify any residual risks and evaluate if they're going to be acceptable or not. Then we move into validation, where we can ensure the machine has met all of the safety goals from previous steps. Once the entire system has been validated and all residual risks have been accepted, we move into the deployment phase.
And SICK supports customers through every step of that process?
We do. We support them from risk assessment to product selection and all the way to implementation. We're here to help.
Wow, that's a lot of valuable information. Thanks for walking us through the 6 steps. Now let's talk about products. SICK is well known for safety in the industry. We actually sell over 1,000 safety products. This includes safe motor feedback systems, safe radar sensors, safe controllers, safety relays, safety light curtains, safety laser scanners, safety switches, safety systems, safe 3D time-of-flight cameras. Oof, that's a lot of products. Ugh, that's better. I know that maybe looked overwhelming, but we have TÜV certified safety experts that can help you. And on top of that, we have safety product experts like myself that can help you figure out what you need for your facility. Thanks for watching this episode of the Sensor Experts. If you need more information, email us at info@sick.com. Until next time, keep it smart and safe.